I'm so conscious about my self-image that I feel the whole world revolves around me. Previously, if you used to go to a tourist destination, you used to click pictures of the scenery. Now, anywhere you go, you want yourself to be part of that picture. And that's where we say the concept of selfie or self-image gets very popular. So, in one of the surveys that was conducted by a US agency, the results showed that nearly 50% of the people sometime in their life have been involved with taking selfies, and it became so popular that in 2013 it was part of the Oxford Dictionary, and probably we are living in a period of golden era of selfies. So it's all around us, we see selfies. But why? We are so much conscious about our self-image, and this deteriorates our mental health because we feel that any moment we are not admired by our followers, not admired at our social media, then we are missing something. And this creates a sense of insecurity. So be very careful about the fact that you are not so much involved with your self-image. And studies have revealed that probably women have consistently posted more selfies than male members of the society, and it is predominantly in the East Asian nations that the people who are shooting their selfies look more happier than the people in the regions of European and Russian areas. So those are some of the studies which have been done, some of the researches which have been quoted. But yes, it's very important that when we are talking about something, it's not that we are extensively focusing on the same concept again and again, that we are totally involved with the world only in and around us. We don't think about anything else. So that my mentality needs to be checked before we have any further selfie.